Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a babysitting service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're certainly in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your small business. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a simple, effective, easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video. No credit card details needed. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, search for my market, babysitter. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's Almighty starts a few basic details about our babysitting services so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name over here, as well as my city and my state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue and let multi-site work its magic, creates a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of yourself in action, maybe with the kids, playing with the children that you're looking after. You want to showcase it on your website, maybe make some changes to that content as well. Maybe you don't offer all these services like meal preparation and transportation and stuff like that. To make the changes, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional of any sorts, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that email address is visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number over here so customers can easily reach out. That is click to call, by the way. Now, maybe you're on mobile, you don't have a physical location, but if you do have one, pop it in over here. The great thing about that physical location for your business, when your customers click on it, will automatically take them to Google Maps. And update social links. If you have any social media platforms to advertise your service as well, you can pop them in over here. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Will also help with your website getting onto Google when you link your social media accounts. Under the next section, if you have a logo for your business, you can pop it in over here. If you want to make slight amendments to that logo, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, you can click on that pencil over the logo. If not, you can click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make it bigger and smaller. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors. If you'd like to change them to go with your coding a little bit better, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, no color coding necessary. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath that section. Click on update image. Over here is where you can browse your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Play around with those keywords a little bit and see what images pop up. Otherwise, you can now connect your Instagram accounts if you have one for your business to pull in all those Instagram images instead of uploading them individually. Very convenient. With a click of a button, you can now connect your Instagram accounts. Under update action is where you can change those buttons, where they link to. Click on choose link. Over here, you can link to a PDF file if you want to when your customers click on that button, or download a PDF file. Otherwise, you can link to another website or an action as well. In the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. You can keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Otherwise, you will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. If you already have a domain, if you'd like to purchase a new domain, click on the green button. Make your website look even more trustworthy and professional. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business on the Marty SaaS platform. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.